you are seeing not if you are seeing this message you are not in the Wi-Fi environment, it means that the app is warning you that you are not connected to your Wi-Fi or the mobile data. To avoid or fix this issue, you can try this solution. Make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi here. So you have to enable your Wi-Fi or you can enable your data also. If you prefer not to use cellular data but still want to use for terabytes on your mobile data, you have to just go and enable your mobile data here. Also, you can seek for the app update. You have to just go for your Play Store and search for the Terabox. If there is any update available, then you have to update the Terabox app. Sometimes simply restarting your phone can also resolve the issues with connectivity. So this way you should be able to fix the message and avoid using cellular data here. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.